Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video I'm going to talk about Fiverr affiliate program and how you can use Pinterest to generate some extra cash through Fiverr affiliate program. So what you have to do first is to sign up. If you scroll all the way down here, you should see affiliates, and then here you can click on start earning now, boost your earnings by driving traffic to Fiverr. And here you can see join as affiliate, promote Fiverr, and start earning. Earn right from the moment your traffic converts. You can also check here commission plan. You can see here Fiverr and Fiverr hybrid. CPA depending on what service your first time buyer purchase, and other things you can see here. More products you can promote, Fiverr Pro, Fiverr Affiliates, Fiverr Logo Maker. And now once you sign in, you just have to click on it. By the way, you also can see here how much it pays for each category. So make sure you choose graphics and design. So if you want the highest CPA, the highest commission, and then just click on here, not here, sorry. Here, start earning or join now. And here enter your name, your last name, your email, username, password, account type, private, and then here do you have a main source of traffic? And you can say yes, and here enter your social media, your YouTube channel, your Pinterest account, something, or you can also say no, and a country, email, English language, and then Skype. All right. And then once you sign in, then what you have to do is to look for some graphic designer. I can click on graphic designer here, look for a logo, because that's what I want to promote. And I'll look for a seller that has a lot of commissions, a lot of sales, not commissions, or a lot of sales. I was getting a lot of sales, so I'll go with this gig. And now I can save this gig right here, because what we're going to do, we're going to promote this affiliate with Pinterest. I already have an account. I already been consistently posting a lot of gigs here. As you can see, 130 gigs, and I have some monthly views. But it just takes time because I haven't made any money. It just takes time, and you have to be consistent. And I haven't been that consistent recently, to be quite honest. So you have to be consistent. You have to work hard to see any results. So now also make sure you create your account. And once you sign in your affiliate, Fiverr affiliates, this is what you should see. You should see here dashboards, marketing tools. Usually I go to default and deep links. That's what I go usually. And I'll just copy this link and I'll paste this link here. I'll remove this one and paste this one, and I'll copy this link and go to bit.ly and paste this link here. Enter here title. Usually I enter the title of this gig I'm working with, and just click on create. And now I just click on copy here, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go to saved, and here I'll click on this pin, paste this here, and I'll save this video. Save it, just right click, save video. All right, so if you play the video and you right click, you see here save video, then you go to Pinterest, you click on here, and now you paste the video. Now we have the video here. Now I just have to copy this here, enter some description here, and here we can enter some keywords. Here obviously we should write the logo design, logo fashion, logo design trends, and then click on publish. So that's basically what you have to do. You have to create a lot of just copy the gig that you want to promote. All right, and then click copy this link, paste this link here, and go to Pinterest, create paint, and then people, if they click on your I have 100 conversions, but I haven't made any commissions. Haven't got anyone to actually buy because they can click obviously on this link, and but they just they won't buy any gig, any package. They just won't buy. But then you have conversions, but then you don't have sales. So if I go to dashboard here, you can see I have 120 clicks, but conversion rate is 0. So you have to create more. You need to have um, more clicks. 1,000, 5,000. I saw someone he had like around 5,000 clicks and around $300, I think. So yeah, it just takes time. You need to be consistent if you want to see any results, but that's basically the process. I hope you found this helpful. Subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care. Okay, so I decided actually to explain exactly what it means Fiverr CPA, and just to explain this commission, what you see right here. So Fiverr CPA, first of all, means cost per acquisition, and these are the commissions. So $50 to 150 CPA, cost per acquisition. This is dynamic CPA, means which means the commission you earn depends on the type of service you refer. First-time buyer purchases on Fiverr. The CPA can range from $50 to 150, and is determined by the category of the service. Fiverr Hybrid, this offers a combination of CPA and revenue share, for a 12-month period. You get a fixed $10 CPA, cost per acquisition, for every first-time purchase referred. Additionally, you earn 10% rev share on the revenue generated by the referred buyer for the next 12 months. More products you can promote. This category provides different commissions structures based on the product or service referred. For example, you can earn 100 CPA once the referred account reaches $100 in spending, and also receive a 10% rev share for 12 months. You can also earn 10% for every referred affiliate's earnings for a lifetime. There's a 30% CPA for every logo maker order, and Fiverr CPA commissions. Now this section lists specific CPA commissions based on different service category. For example, if your referred buyer makes a first time purchase in the categories like industrial product design or graphic design, you can earn $50 CPA. There are different CPA rates ranging from $40 to $50 based on the category. So that's pretty much what I decided to do, actually, to explain. I really hope you found this helpful. And just remember, to see any results with Fiverr affiliate marketing is going to take a lot of time. You need to be consistent, and you won't make millions. You're going to make some extra cash. That could be $1,000 or euros per month, or 500 or 300 or $1, or depends on you. It just depends, right? So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.